Hello, this is just a really quick video to show a tool that I've been playing around with called GitHub browser use. So this has got pretty popular recently. It was released very recently, and it seems pretty similar to Claude computer use that I had to play with a few weeks back, but it's a GitHub one basically. So to get this running, it took me probably half an hour, three-quarters of an hour, because I needed to kind of understand the tools to get it used. I used this video here where the guy gets it up and running, and I also used the browser use quick start guide. So I needed to install a tool called UV, which I'd not used before. But that was this tool here, and there were some guides to get that installed. And then once I had that, I set up my virtual environment, and then I got to install my my Python version, activate it for Windows, which is what I'm using, and then install the dependencies, which were the browser use dependencies, and then also install Playwright. So you don't have to have like a Playwright framework up, it's just you need Playwright installed. And then after that, this was where I got a little bit lost, but I managed to find my way around this eventually. So what I needed to do to create an agent is to go into the copy the code, the repo from browser use, clone that into into my repository using my activated virtual environment. Clone that here, so that's what I did. I used git clone and I cloned it into a location on my local machine, which I found weird. And then you can edit those files. So they have a bunch of examples that you can use to do various things, but none of them matched what I wanted. So I used the example agent from the quick start guide, and I opened this up locally and modified this to say the task that I wanted. I also had to modify the .m file to set my OpenAI API key. So all that was set, and then I could go into my browser use virtual environment and then run that with the command python agent.py. So okay, I'm going to try this one more time with a bit more of a simple request. So I'm going to ask it to open the browser, navigate to Restful Booker. This time it's going to use this send a message function at the bottom of the page, and I'm going to ask it to include some random details, a 12-digit phone number, and let them know the Wi-Fi is broken in room 123. So see if it can construct a suitable message for me. Okay, so I will go ahead and call that Python agent.py from computer use, and off it goes. Here we go. Kind of knows what to do pretty immediately. It's filling it in. Great, and that's worked first time. See if it recognizes that it's submitted it. Cool, and it's closed itself down.